Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 37. And without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Somatic nervous system. 1. Controls 5 senses and voluntary movement of skeletal muscles. 2. Efferent motor reactions. 3. Afferent nervous sense. Brings signals from central nervous system to sensory organs and muscles. Efferent. Brings signal from sensory organs and muscles to the central nervous system. Afferent. What is a reflex? An automatic response without any conscious thought to stimulus via the reflex arc. What is the simplest act of nervous system? Reflex. What is the simplest nerve pathway? Reflex arc. It passes by the brain and is controlled by the spinal cord. What is an example of a reflex arc? Patellar tendon reflex, which is the same as the knee jerk. What are the 3 types of muscle tissues? Skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. What are the 3 common properties of muscles? Excitability, contraction, and elongate. Excitability. Electric gradient which can reverse when stimulated. contraction, shorten or contract, elongate, to make longer or relax. Which muscle tissue are involuntary? Cardiac and smooth muscle tissues. Which muscle tissue is voluntary? Skeletal tissue. Skeletal tissue. Voluntary muscles that work in pairs to move various parts of the skeleton, composed of muscle fibers. Cardiac tissue. Involuntary and found in heart, and it is striated. Smooth tissue. Involuntary muscles found in walls of internal organs such as stomach and intestines. Muscle fibers containing bundle of dash. Myofibrils. Muscle fibers are composed of repeating contractible units called sarcomeres. Contain two protein filaments that are thick and thin. Myofibrils. Protein myosin. Happens in thick microfilaments. Protein actin. actin happens in thin microfilaments. Dear friends, thank you for using human biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.